Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be sharing with you my new everyday cleaning routine. Now that I have been working from home, there have been a lot more messes, so I'm going to show you how I stay on top of everything from laundry, washing dishes, picking up toys, or anything else that needs to be done around the house. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy and consider subscribing before you leave. My daily routine does not consist of me taking an hour or two to clean up my entire house. Because I am working from home, I like to take mini 10 to 15 minute breaks throughout the day and tackle any area in my home that needs to get done. So I will work around my schedule, whether it's conference calls or deadlines, to get a little bit of cleaning done.
I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you, yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's
I didn't notice this earlier, but Riley had spilled a bunch of yogurt on the blanket, so I'm going to throw that into the wash.
Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make you come around. I think you want me. 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes.
Typically, I like to fold a load of laundry or at least wash a load. It really all depends on my work schedule. Some days are busier than others where I have back-to-back conference calls. And the last thing I want to do is overwhelm myself. So if I don't get to laundry that particular day, I'm not hard on myself. I give myself a little bit of grace.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
It's a little bit later on in the day and Riley has gone down for a nap, so all of her clothes or anything that needs to be put away in her room, I'm just gonna leave in the basket for now and I'll put it away once she wakes up. For all the big towels, I decided to put the new ones all the way in the back and bring the ones from the back to the front, because I don't know about you guys, but we tend to keep putting the towels that are freshly washed in the front and then never use the ones that are in the back. Also, I am excited to share with you guys my declutter and organization of this linen closet. I do still need to get to the door, but it is such a transformation. So I will have that video up soon for you guys.
To lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. My Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stay too much, cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish.
So as I was cleaning the kitchen, I realized that our air fryer definitely was in desperate need of a cleaning. So I figured I would take the bottom tray, give that a good scrub in the sink, and then I was also going to wipe down and clean the inside of the air fryer as well.
Or just the best you've ever had. 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 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad, might be an assessor. Or just the best you've ever had. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, oh, you got me good.
I honestly couldn't even tell you how many times I am picking up Riley's toys throughout the day. She typically likes to play in the living room area because I'm sitting in the dining room, and this way she can kind of see me as I'm working and she plays as well. But it's the constant picking up toys over and over and over again.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift.
If you made it this far, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation out of today's video. Leave me a comment and let me know what your daily cleaning routine looks like.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of